If you have been struggling with high blood sugar or insulin resistance despite eating better, this could surprise you. What if the simplest fix for improving insulin sensitivity came not from a new drug, but from something that actually comes from sugar itself? It sounds impossible, but studies reported in reputable journals show that a small spoonful of a dark syrup called Blackstrap Molasses can help your cells respond to insulin more effectively almost right away. Today, I will explain the science in plain language, show you how to use it safely, and tell you exactly when to take it for the best results. The paradox of molasses. For decades, we were taught that every sweetener spikes blood sugar and damages metabolism, but molasses is different. Molasses is not the refined sugar you find in a bowl. It is what remains after sugar is extracted from sugarcane or sugar beets. When sugar is refined, the manufacturers strip away the minerals, antioxidants, and trace nutrients. What stays behind in molasses are minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, calcium, manganese, and copper. Those are the nutrients your body uses to regulate metabolism, nerve signals, and glucose handling. The darker the molasses, the more concentrated those nutrients are. That is why Blackstrap Molasses, the darkest grade, is the most potent in terms of minerals and antioxidants. The science behind the sweetness. Why does this matter for insulin resistance? A randomized feeding study published in the European Journal of Nutrition tested meals with and without added molasses. The remarkable finding was not a big change in blood glucose, but a reduction in the insulin required to process the same meal. In short, more molasses led to less insulin demand. That is the opposite of what we expect with sugar. Chronically high circulating insulin drives inflammation, fat storage, and the progression to type 2 diabetes. So anything that lets your body do the same work with less insulin is clinically meaningful. The study also suggested that people who were more metabolically impaired gained the most benefit, as if molasses was helping tired pancreatic beta cells recover some function. The beta cell repair connection. Your pancreas contains beta cells that make insulin. Over years of metabolic stress, those cells can become dysfunctional and underperform. Research indicates the antioxidants and minerals in molasses may support repair processes in beta cells, improving their ability to secrete insulin appropriately. This is not a miracle cure, it is cellular support. Think of molasses as returning missing micronutrients and protective compounds that allow cells to operate more effectively. The GIP Amylin axis, a simple explanation. How does a sweet syrup make insulin work better? Part of the answer lies in gut hormone signaling, specifically amylin and GIP. Amylin is released alongside insulin and slows gastric emptying so glucose does not flood the bloodstream all at once. GIP, glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, is released by the small intestine and helps the pancreas secrete insulin in a glucose-dependent manner. Molasses appears to improve the coordination between these signals. It supports amylin's slowing of digestion and enhances GIP's precision in insulin release. The result is a gentler rise in blood sugar and a lower insulin requirement. Molasses as a natural carb blocker. Molasses also affects how sugars are absorbed in the intestines. Research, including findings reported in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, shows molasses can slow the uptake of glucose and fructose by intestinal cells. Additionally, some compounds in molasses partially inhibit enzymes like alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase, which break starches into absorbable sugars. Slowing enzyme activity and absorption turns a flood into a slow trickle. When you add a small amount of molasses to a starchy meal, the glucose curve flattens and the post-meal crash becomes less severe. Antioxidant power and cell protection. Blackstrap molasses is also high in antioxidants. Analyses by nutrition researchers show it ranks strongly for total antioxidant capacity compared with many other sweeteners. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is a major driver of aging and chronic disease. Molasses can also influence iron chemistry. Iron is essential but can generate oxidative damage when it is free and reactive. Compounds in molasses help keep iron in a less reactive state, reducing oxidative reactions that harm cells. In laboratory studies, researchers observed anti-mutagenic effects of blackstrap molasses and protection of liver DNA from some forms of damage. Those are long-term benefits that add to metabolic and cellular resilience. The right way to use it. Molasses still contains sugar, roughly 60 to 70% by weight, so dose truly matters. The range supported by both nutrition studies and practical clinical observation is half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon per day. That small amount provides a dense source of minerals and polyphenols without overwhelming your system with excess sugar. When you exceed around 3 tablespoons daily, the sugar load begins to cancel out the positive effects, especially if your liver or pancreas is already overworked. Remember, the benefits of molasses come not from its sweetness, but from its nutrient density and its ability to slow down digestion and improve insulin efficiency. For timing, the best window is with lunch, ideally during your largest carbohydrate-containing meal of the day. This is when your metabolism is most active, your digestive hormones are primed, and your muscles are more insulin sensitive from natural daytime movement. Lunch also gives your body several hours to process glucose and stabilize blood sugar before evening rest. If you take molasses too late, such as at dinner, digestion slows overnight and your body may experience what's called a second glucose spike, while you sleep a small but prolonged rise in blood sugar that can interfere with nighttime repair processes. Breakfast is also an excellent option, especially when it includes fiber and protein. Think oatmeal with nuts, or Greek yogurt with fruit. The fiber and protein work together with molasses to further slow glucose absorption and promote satiety. That combination keeps energy stable and prevents mid-morning hunger crashes. To get the best metabolic advantage, you can also mix molasses in warm water or tea and sip it with your meal. The warmth helps digestion, and pairing it with hydration supports smoother nutrient transport. Avoid adding molasses to sweet drinks, sodas, or desserts, because the goal is not to make food sweeter, but to balance the way your body handles starch and sugar. Used thoughtfully, molasses acts less like a sweetener and more like a gentle nutritional regulator that helps your metabolism stay in rhythm. What to avoid? There are a few key mistakes to avoid if you want molasses to work for you and not against you. First, never take molasses as a quick energy shot on an empty stomach. Without other nutrients to slow absorption, it will behave just like pure sugar, causing a quick glucose spike followed by an insulin surge and energy crash. Second, don't combine it with foods already high in refined sugars or simple carbs. If you pour it over sweet desserts or sugary cereals, it loses its balancing effect and becomes just another added sugar. The true benefit happens when molasses interacts with complex carbohydrates and fiber-rich foods that naturally digest slowly. Third, avoid thinking of molasses as a free pass to eat more carbohydrates. It is not a magic shield. It's a modulator. It helps your body handle starches more efficiently, but portion control still matters. If you regularly eat large portions of refined starches like white bread, pastries, or pasta without fiber, molasses cannot fully offset those effects. Also, be mindful of how you store and mix it. Don't heat molasses directly over high temperatures or microwave it for too long, as excessive heat can destroy some of its antioxidant compounds, including polyphenols and trace enzymes. Simply stir it into warm, not boiling, food or drinks. Lastly, avoid cheap, heavily processed brands that may have been diluted or contain added corn syrup. These versions look similar but offer none of the same metabolic benefits. Always check the label for unsulfured blackstrap molasses and minimal ingredients. Think of molasses as a metabolic companion, not a sugar substitute. It's there to support your body's rhythm, not to give permission to overindulge. When used properly and intentionally, it helps turn an ordinary meal into something that supports insulin balance, digestive calm, and steady energy. The best type to choose? Choose organic blackstrap molasses when possible, unsulfured and minimally processed. Light molasses is acceptable for baking, but contains fewer minerals and weaker antioxidant activity. High-quality blackstrap molasses will list minimal ingredients and no added preservatives. Who should be careful? Not everyone should use molasses without medical advice. If you have chronic kidney disease or reduced kidney function, discuss molasses with your clinician because of its mineral content. If you have a disorder of iron overload, such as hereditary hemochromatosis, be cautious because blackstrap molasses is high in iron. If you're taking iron supplements, certain mineral-affecting drugs, or you are on insulin therapy, monitor blood glucose closely when you introduce molasses and consult your provider. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have complex chronic conditions, get personalized guidance first. Why small changes matter. Long-term metabolic change comes from small, consistent habits. A half tablespoon of blackstrap molasses added to your regular meal pattern will not reverse years of insulin resistance overnight, but it can start to reduce the chronic insulin burden your pancreas faces. Over weeks to months, this small, steady change can support improved energy, fewer crashes, and better markers on routine blood testing. Real-life example. A man in his late 60s I met had struggled with fasting glucose fluctuations for years. He had tried low-carb diets and multiple supplements with mixed results. When he began stirring half a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses into his midday oatmeal, his afternoon energy no longer crashed, and his fasting glucose fell by about 10 points over several weeks while he maintained the same medications and lifestyle. This is an anecdote, not a controlled trial, but it illustrates the practical benefit many people report when the approach is applied thoughtfully. The big picture. Molasses is more than a sweetener. It is a nutrient-dense, functional food that brings minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds into your diet in a concentrated form. It slows digestion, reduces oxidative stress, supports pancreatic function, and can lessen the insulin demand for the same meal. Used appropriately, blackstrap molasses can be a low-cost, accessible tool to support metabolic health and cellular protection over time. The big picture. Molasses is more than a sweetener. It is a nutrient-dense, functional food that brings minerals, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds into your diet in a concentrated form. It slows digestion, reduces oxidative stress, supports pancreatic function, and can lessen the insulin demand for the same meal. Used appropriately, blackstrap molasses can be a low-cost, accessible tool to support metabolic health and cellular protection over time. Final message. Blackstrap molasses is a humble, affordable food that demonstrates how whole food matrices can act differently than isolated calories. When you restore missing micronutrients and antioxidants, your body can regain metabolic balance. That is the power of using real foods with intention. If this was helpful, please like the video and share it with someone who struggles with energy dips or blood sugar swings. Comment below if you have tried blackstrap molasses and what changed for you. For more practical, science-based tips for living stronger after 60, subscribe to Elders Living Better. Every moment matters.